professional bouts. Partnered by our energy partner Jerk Energy Drinks. Venue partner Vihans. Wellness partner Healing Youth and nutrition partner Whole Truth Foods. We will now begin our main cards tonight. Fighting from the blue corner with a professional record of 4 wins and 1 loss. Standing tall, 2 feet and 6 inches. Weighing at 57 kg. Fighting from Sky Sports Fighting Club, Maharashtra, Vaibhav Barade. Representing Freedom Fight Club, Maharashtra, Prathamesh Kinchale.
So the referee for the fight is Deepak. Prathamesh has got an impressive amateur record of 21 wins and 4 losses. What do you think, Mickey? The fight has been started. Both players checking with their reach. Prathamesh seems pressuring Vaibhav. Okay. क्या लगता है मिकी?
Vaibhav seems to be very, very much on guard, and he's playing safe. He's playing defensive.
वैभव का ग्राउंड बहुत अच्छा है, वो गार्ड बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं. Maybe in this fight he will try to pull the guard. What do you think?
All that I can actually observe is that
That was
Weber's
a nice
footwork
look
is
kick.
very good. He's got a very good footwork. He's waiting for the moment where he gets a chance to attack, and there he is. What do you think, Nishant?
I feel like Prathamesh needs to hit his head, his temple. His guard is down. I think that will be more easier for him. He's pressuring with low kicks. He's trying to press him against the cage. बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्रैटेजी है प्रथमेश की. ऑब्लिक किक के साथ उनको आगे आने नहीं दे रहे वो. That's a nice.
One thing that I'm observing is Prathamesh's guard is always up, you know, which is something that Weber is lacking right now since the beginning of the fight,
I feel like
which is very important.
yes, but I feel like everyone has their own style that makes them unique. Let's see. क्या up guard up जीत है या low guard? प्रथमेश प्रेशर कर रहे हैं वैभव को with oblique kicks again and again.
He's even trying for push kicks, Prathamesh.
Exactly. And that was a nice cross. Ooh. I can hear his kicks, Mickey. मैं यहाँ बैठे बैठे उसके kicks सुन सकता हूँ उनके. Again. Seems the pressure has changed inside the cage.
Weber has gone to the attack mode now.
दोनों अभी भी अपना रीच चेक कर रहे हैं. दोनों इन नहीं जा रहे. बोथ आर प्लेइंग सेफ. क्या लगता है मिकी आपको?
Somehow मुझे पहले वैभव ज़्यादा confident लग रहा था.
Okay.
Okay. See, that's
that-
what I meant. That's what I meant.
That was a nice cross. Oh, Vaibhav needs to look at his opponent out. That was a big
Right.
fall. Okay.
That's the second time.
Stood up again. That was a crazy punch by Prathamesh. by the way.
Exactly what I meant to
Okay,
say.
again.
Weber seemed to be very confident earlier, but right now, what I see, the strategy that I see in Prathamesh's eyes, I do not see in Weber's. Weber is just waiting for an opportunity to strike, wherein Prathamesh is actually strategizing the fight.
मुझे लगता है प्रथमेश अपना डिस्टेंस रखना चाहते हैं उनके साथ. He doesn't want to engage in a close combat. अपना डिस्टेंस रख के jab, push kicks, low kicks. He has his own ways. Okay. Oh, that hook was great. वो कनेक्ट हुआ. बहुत अच्छा कनेक्ट हुआ वैभव की तरफ से. But Vaibhav needs to keep his guard up
Vaibhav
because
is-
he's getting punched again and again.
Weber is trying to corner Prathamesh constantly, but he's failing to do that. Prathamesh is not giving him
Oh.
the chance to do that.
Okay. Nice attack. Okay.
And there's a third time.
वैभव ने प्रथमेश को गार्ड में लेने की कोशिश किया. एज हम लोगों ने पहले ही बात की थी. वैभव इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट विद हिज गार्ड. सो वो बात प्रथमेश को ट्राई कर रहे हैं लेने के लिए अपने गार्ड में. लेट्स सी.
Somehow I can see
Last 10
that
seconds
Weber
of the
was
round.
down for the third
Oh,
time.
oh, okay. One more nice hook from Vaibhav. That's a break. So Mickey, कैसा लगा आपको फर्स्ट राउंड?
First round में बस मैंने ये observe किया कि Weber was down for the third time. He was down 3 times. This was my observation. I do not know what your observation says, but this is my keen observation.
The 2 times I feel like Prathamesh punched him, the cross connected him, he just slipped there. And the third time I felt like Vaibhav was pulling Prathamesh towards him, to the guard. He was pulling the guard. Oh, his corner spilled some water.
Yeah, but as I said, towards the beginning of the fight, I was finding Weber to be more confident, and later part of the fight, the confidence just turned.
The pressure was from Prathamesh, but yes. But I felt the key thing was Prathamesh was instantly punching him while Vaibhav was kicking him.
Although I would still like to say that I love the footwork that Vaibhav is displaying. Vaibhav's footwork is very nice.
Okay, round two शुरू हो गया है. Prathamesh again with the pressure. Nice jab to the body. मुझे लगता है वैभव को यहाँ नहीं रहना चाहिए. ये उनके लिए अच्छा पोजीशन नहीं है. ओके. Again with the distance, with the pressure. That's very nice from Prathamesh. आपको क्या लगता है मिकी?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे Prathamesh is just trying to check out his reach. He should move forward from checking out his reach and he should directly attack, which somehow Vaibhav is doing, and Prathamesh is trying to take an opportunity over there.
आपने नोटिस किया प्रथमेश ने इतने सारे इनसाइड किक्स लैंड किए फिलहाल. ही इज जस्ट जैब इनसाइड setting up his cross. Look, I just told you. And then again with that cross. That's a beautiful cross. खूबसूरती से लैंड करते हुए. Again Prathamesh with his distance. मैं प्रथमेश के कॉर्नर को सुन सकता हूँ. वो जैब पे और प्रेशराइज कर रहे हैं. They are telling him to jab more. Oh. Vaibhav for the takedown.
That was a nice attempt by Vaibhav to try and clinch Prathamesh, but he failed.
Oh. Again with the inside low kick. मुझे लगता है प्रथमेश वैभव के लीड लेग को डैमेज करने वाले हैं. He is just keeping his distance. Prathamesh knows he doesn't want to enter. He just wants to play the game of in and out. उन्हें सिर्फ जैब मारना है, सेटअप करना है, his cross with inside low kicks. Oh, go again for the takedown, Vaibhav. Very nice.
It was a nice shoot. But I do not know.
Okay.
The wrong position. Wrong
yes,
position
exactly.
for Vaibhav.
वैभव के लिए बहुत गलत पोजीशन. बट मुझे लगता है वैभव ने अगेन ट्राई किया गार्ड पुल करने के लिए. It seems that Prathamesh doesn't want to engage there. He wants to fight on the stand-up game. That was a nice cross by Vaibhav. Okay. He needs to follow up. वैभव को कंटिन्यू करना होगा. क्या लगता है मिकी आपको? Come on.
मुझे लग रहा है कि इस राउंड में एक्चुअली प्रथमेश का फुटवर्क ज़्यादा अच्छा है, बट वो अपने आप को डिफेंड नहीं कर पा रहा है. ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू डिफेंड हिमसेल्फ. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील.
I feel like he needs to get out of the corner. मुझे लगता है वो कॉर्नर पे रहेंगे तो वो और पंचेस खाने वाले और पंचेस के शिकार होने वाले हैं वो. लेकिन if he moves well, then he is keeping his reach very well. Okay, again for the takedown, but went for the clinch and disconnected again.
मुझे लगता है राउंड 1 के बाद के ब्रेक में प्रथमेश ने ठीक से जर्क एनर्जी ड्रिंक नहीं पिया होगा.
Oh, that was a smooth way of promotion, Raminder. Mickey ji. प्रथमेश constantly अपना lead leg use कर रहे हैं. Inside head, putting his jab. He's setting up something that Vaibhav should not know. If he knows that, he will be on the mat soon. Both of the fighters seems a bit exhausted. क्या लगता है आपको? Again with the lead
I feel
leg.
this is Vaibhav's strategy to, gas out Prathamesh. He's just waiting for Prathamesh to keep on attacking, and he's going defensive so that Prathamesh is totally out of stamina, and then he goes for an attack. This is what I feel in this part of the game. What do you feel?
What I feel like is, these are the flyweight. They won't get exhausted easily, ये 3 round bout है, 5 minutes. Flyweights don't get exhausted easily. They have the speed, they have the stamina. I feel like Prathamesh is doing a nice job. He's jabbing, he's punching. Oh, that's again a hook by Vaibhav. Okay, Prathamesh needs to get out. He needs to keep his guard up. Okay.
That's
I
end of
think
round 2.
Round 2 के बेल ने बचा लिया प्रथमेश को.
Exactly.
वरना यहाँ पे हमें कुछ और consequences देखने मिलते वैभव की तरफ से.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, Clash of Warriors 4, powered by Jerk Energy Drink.
I felt like this round was, a 50-50 round. मुझे लगा कि यहाँ पे प्रथमेश ने भी बहुत अच्छा खेला है, खूबसूरती से अपने इनसाइड्स लैंड किए, नाइस कनेक्शन ऑफ क्रॉस. शुरुआत 1 minute आई थिंक उन्होंने डोमिनेट किया, एंड देन वैभव विद हिज हुक्स गोइंग फॉर टेक डाउन अटेम्प्ट्स. दैट वाज अ नाइस राउंड.
For me, it was a mix. I liked the footwork by both the contenders, Vaibhav and Prathamesh. But somehow, Prathamesh, at the end of it, I felt that he was not able to defend himself. Entering round 3.
प्रथमेश और एक बार प्रेशराइज करते हुए वैभव को. He is with his insides. He's landing them. That's a very good thing. Okay. That's a nice jab by Vaibhav. मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे क्या लगता है आपको? I'm feeling a bit tensed over here because both of the fighters are initiating with their leads, catching the leg, low kicks. What do you think? मुझे लगता है
इस
वैभव.
राउंड में मुझे वैभव गैस आउट लग रहा है. लग रहा है आपको? Do you think so?
Yes, I feel it. I can see it. I mean, again the guard pull. This is the third attempt of him pulling him into the guard, and he doesn't want to engage. Prathamesh engage नहीं करना चाहते.
I think over here, Prathamesh आराम से mount लेके he could have finished the fight. एक full mount लेके he
Nice
could have
kick to
actually
the body.
finished the fight.
That was a nice cross.
Nice cross.
Again, nice hook to the body. Okay, clinch game going on. Nice knees. मुझे लगता है प्रथमेश अपने अपोनेंट को वेल स्टडी करके आए हैं. वो जानते हैं कि गार्ड में ही हैज़ अ गुड एडवांटेज. ही डजंट वांट टू गो देयर. वो अपना गेम खेलेंगे. ही विल सेट हिज ओन गेम अप. यहाँ मुझे दिख रहा है कि प्रथमेश in the matter of speed he is dominating right now. He is connecting more punches right now. Vaibhav needs to do something if he wants to win this round.
I can still see the nice
jab.
footwork, nice footwork by Prathamesh, which is lacking with Vaibhav right now. Which I found a very nice footwork by Vaibhav at the beginning of the fight in round 1. I do not find it right now.
You're right. It seems that Vaibhav is a little exhausted. So let's see. But Prathamesh जो pressure create कर रहे हैं फिलहाल with the jabs, body hooks, cross. Again for the guard pull. मुझे लगता है if Vaibhav needs to pull the guard, he needs to be very accurate with it because Prathamesh is very aware of it. Prathamesh has studied his opponent very well. Double hook landed by both.
I feel that even if he has not studied his opponent,
Nice.
he can clearly see that his opponent is exhausted.
You're right. Again with the lead. That was a good connect. Okay. That might be a TKO and he got. No. It still continues. Okay. I thought we might see a TKO in the first probe out. क्या लगता है मिकी? क्या होगा अभी?
I can somehow foresee the outcome of the bout, but I don't want to say it right now.
Oh, we cannot predict anything. This is a beautiful game. Anything can happen at any moment. A small mistake can lead to a big outcome. So let's not
Of what I
predict
see,
this.
Prathamesh has given a lot of chances that Vaibhav could have taken to, land beautiful strikes. And this game could have been vice versa right now.
Yes. Oh, that was a nice uppercut connected. Seems that Vaibhav is not interested in striking. Oh, he's really exhausted. Again, there might be a TKO. Nice knees, uppercuts. Okay, that might be the end of it. Let's see. 41 seconds to go. Okay, again with a guard pull. Oh no!
And
Yeah,
that's
okay, that was a really bad idea.
Vaibhav is down, and that's gone. That's end of the
That's
fight.
a TKO, as we expected. I think I can predict, Mickey. I can predict stuff.
I knew that.
मुझे लगता है मुझे सट्टा लगाना चाहिए था यहाँ पे. मैं जीत जाता.
सट्टा किसके साथ लगाते हैं? मेरे साथ.
जी जी आपके साथ. अभी फिलहाल तो कमेंट्री पे आप हो मेरे साथ, तो मैं ज़रूर आपके साथ सट्टा लगाता यहाँ पे. We will bet the next round. I will try to predict it. अगर मैं जीत गया.
हमारा सट्टे में ही ड्रॉ हो जाता.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, Clash of Warriors 4, powered by Jerk Energy Drink. Nutrition partner, The Whole Truth Foods. Venue partner, Vihangs. It's Clash of Warriors 4. Fitness partner, MMA Warriors.
Winner by TKO in 4 minutes 25 seconds of round 3, Prathamesh Injale.